For optimization, go to Solve and select Optimize. In Optimizer window, first you need to define simulation type, so it can be transient solver, frequency domain solver, etc. After this, you need to define algorithm. Default algorithm is Trust Region Framework. For more information on algorithms, please refer online help. Then you need to define parameters which you want to optimize. So suppose for a patch antenna you want to optimize length and width. So select these parameters, and then in minimum and maximum you need to define range of length and width, as well as you can define initial value of these parameters. Then go to goals. So in goals, first you need to extract post-processing template, and then you need to define some conditions on that post-processing templates. So for this example, suppose I want to optimize length and width of an antenna for S11 value to be less than -20 dB from 9.1 GHz to 9.2 GHz. So for this, just click Add New Goal, select S parameters, and in second tab also select S parameter, click OK and close this window. Now a new goal window is open. So in this goal window, select S11, select type, and then the condition is to be less than -20 dB from 9.1 GHz to 9.2 GHz. Click OK and then press start. In similar ways, you can give condition on radiation pattern or as well as on other post-processing templates, and you can get optimized results from 1D results folder. Thank you.